Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add Toncoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. It's very easy. All you need to do is tap on buy and sell like so. And here you're going to have an option to buy Ton and USDT. And the top three options are Mercurio, MoonPay, and Transact Now. Disclaimer, Mercurio has a lot of failed attempts for some reason. I don't know what's up. MoonPay is asking for too much minimum Ton that you need to buy. Transact has an issue with like the email, asking for the email thing. So, but for this case, let's just tap the Mercurio like so, and let's wait for it to load. And I'm just going to show you how it's done. So as you can see here, it says buy Ton. For example, you're going to buy the minimum. I think with Mercurio is $12. $12 or 13. Okay, never mind, 13. There you go. And then all you need to do is tap on buy, and you will be brought to this page. You can either buy it through Google Pay or credit card or debit card. And you just need to put in your card information, which is your card number, month, year, CVC, and your full name or holder name. And just tap and pay, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.